and introduce our chief guest, the Prime Minister of Fiji. The minister implemented towards leading Fiji to a peaceful and prosperous nation for a soft loan of $9 million from the Exim Bank of China.
Thank you, the Honourable Cabinet Ministers, Permanent Secretaries, the Chairman and Board of Directors of the Public Rental Board, government officials, members of the private and business sectors, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, everyone. It is indeed my pleasure to be here this morning, and I thank the Board of Directors of Public Rental Board for inviting me here. Today unfolds a new chapter in the lives of 48 families as we witness the official opening of these 48 new rental units comprising 32 one and 16 two-bedroom units. They now join the many thousands of other ordinary Fijians around the country who have benefited from my government's housing programs through the Public Rental Board, the Housing Authority, the Squatter Settlement Upgrade Project, the Housing Assistance Relief Trust, and the Housing Assistance Grant for first home buyers. To the incoming families, I congratulate you and wish you well on this new beginning. Please consider this to be your launching pad and work towards greater heights of home ownership. I know that this initiative has not been an overnight process of success. However, it has required careful thought, proper planning and strategies. I also note the thought and effort that has gone to the design of this project, ensuring its occupants have privacy, they have security, and most of all, a social uplift while giving it a modern touch at affordable rental rates. This development has been realized through the government grant of $3.9 million towards the construction cost. The rent is also subsidized further through the social cost grant, making it affordable for an ordinary Fijian family. Ladies and gentlemen, this initiative is also aligned to government's commitment in the National Development Plan, in particular, the targeting of providing affordable and accessible housing to all Fijians. Furthermore, it is part of the initiative that delivers government's Look North policy, targeting new developments within the Northern Division. This demonstrates the fact that initiatives of the social sector are very much part of my government's national priorities and have equal emphasis with those from other major sectors. Ladies and gentlemen, we have taken a holistic approach through providing quality housing that is affordable for all levels of the society. We have introduced a number of innovative initiatives aimed at reducing the cost of building a new home, and they include a land bank, providing land parcels for housing development, facilitating low-interest home loans through Reserve Bank of Fiji facility, channeled through banks and housing authority, tax refunds for new homeowners to build their homes, price controls on building and construction materials, accessibility to FNPF funds for housing, and the housing grant for first home buyers. My government remains resolute in its goals and ambitions for a holistic approach to housing issues and has made the necessary reforms to complement our objectives and, importantly, to ensure that these goals are implemented for the benefit of Fiji and its people. Of course, we are all aware of the fact that public resources are not drawn from a bottomless pit. The government is a willing partner, ready to accept support from all quarters that are willing to work with the government. Whilst government is taking the lead role on social housing initiatives, such as those provided through PRB, we would welcome support and partnership from other development actors operating in Fiji, whether it be from the private sector, the civic society, or international organizations. Such partnership arrangements will ensure more families are catered for under housing schemes such as those provided by PRB. My government is optimistic to build on the progress made today, and I'm delighted that our people can witness the transformation our nation is going through. Ladies and gentlemen, we have set ourselves on a progressive path and have reached a point of no return. At this juncture, I would like to commend the Public Rental Board for its ongoing efforts over the years to provide real rental housing for families, whilst dealing with a high demand for social housing from members of the public. Through its transitional housing policy, PRB aims to address housing challenges by providing rental housing for families at various points in time so that as many people as possible are assisted. I also wish to acknowledge the contractor, Vitilevo Construction Limited, the consultants of Williams and Associates, NRW McKellen Limited, and the project team for completing this mammoth task despite the many challenges faced during the construction phase post-Cyclone Winston. Again, I commend the board and management of PRB and the Minister for Housing for the good work. Ladies and gentlemen, the progress that is being made here will echo into the future. We are on the cusp of something great, so let's take it together. In conclusion, I wish to assure you of the continued support from my government, so together we can all achieve our vision for a prosperous Fiji. And now I have great pleasure in declaring this development 48 flats open. Now, Walewu, thank you and God bless you. Okay. This thing works now. Oh, it's working. No, now. Thank you. Oh, nice, eh? It's one bedroom. Huh? Two bedroom. Oh, this is a two bedroom. Oh, nice. So how much are they paying for this?
Subsidized rate. Subsidized rate. And this is
This is very important.
Well decorated.
Good size. Huh? Hey. Temple. So it is about. It's good. Yeah. Double lock. Knock. Oh, okay. This is the one bedroom.
We are still waiting for the land.
Just allocated the land.
Would it be the same? Hey, talk to this fellow while we're here. Nessa.